Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, there is a good news for Indian Punjab IELTS candidates. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen about it. One of my students, he shared this detail with me that Punjab government, Indian Punjab government, has decided to impart IELTS, International English Language Testing System, coaching through Government Industrial Training Institutes, ITIS. So this is the good news. The fee is going to be economical. The trainers are going to be good. Let's see. I'm not sure about that, but let's see. Okay. So ITIS is Industrial Training Institutes. So there they are going to launch IELTS classes in collaboration with Cambridge University. This is something big. This is really a big news. Good news for candidates. Bad news for IELTS coaching centers, where students go and all that. All right. They say this here, in association with Cambridge University Press India, a subsidiary of Cambridge University Press UK, which develops and publishes educational courses and instructional material. At a function held in Chandigarh, okay, to sign the Memorandum of Understanding with University Technical Education Minister Rana Gurjeet Singh said around 600,000 students from Indian Punjab prepare for IELTS every year. 600,000 is a big number. 600,000 students prepare, so they need coaching centers. Okay, and there are private coaching centers, they charge hefty amount and all that. Then he said, I'm going to go through it. MOU includes a teacher training program. Cambridge will train IELTS teachers and who will teach in those government technical institutes. Teacher training program for trainers through an authorized test center, and the university will provide the teaching module as well as the material and teaching partners. I would love to be the part of this program. I would love to visit India, Indian Punjab especially, to participate in this thing. If you know anyone in the government, please tell them what I think, okay? Yeah. Punjab is the leading state for migration with widespread diaspora known for its hard work and entrepreneurship, okay? They have established themselves in many countries and blah, blah, blah. And then finally he said that Punjab was pleased to be the first state to sign MOU with Cambridge University Press India for providing coaching and training of IELTS to the youth of Punjab in government ITIs and polytechniques across Punjab. We have set up foreign study and placement cell in Punjab to facilitate the migration of youth through legal pathways and foreign countries through a very robust system of district bureaus of employment and enterprise. Okay, MOU has been signed, and then he said no stone will be left unturned for ensuring that youth don't get exploited at the hands of fake and illegal travel agents. Okay, that is something good. That is something positive. So, this is the new development. Good news for Indian Punjab. IELTS candidates in Indian Punjab. And let's see what happens. In the same news, they said they would select some people from Indian Punjab, some teachers, and then they will take their IELTS test, and those who get 8 band, they will be assigned, or they would be, there's another word for that, they would be actually given the job of IELTS trainers. So let's see what happens, because in the third world countries, government initiatives take years to be implemented. But anyways, good news for Indian Punjab people. But let me tell you, you've got the best news. You can watch my videos, and my videos are going to be far better than any other initiative. Yeah? Exactly. Bhuta is with you, so you don't need to worry about anything. I'm going to improve the quality of my videos further, and then one day you will find me in one of these government institutions teaching you IELTS. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.